Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is from Guru Nanda. I don't know how to say it, but they emailed me, so yay! I'm so excited because this has been trending on TikTok. Everybody is using it. I think the lady that started this trend was Posh Mama, some lady that talks about like health stuff and things that you can try for your face, for skincare, for your teeth care, for your overall health. So I was like, I don't know, let me try it. I want to buy it now, this thing, but I was like, I don't know, I'm not sure, I'll wait. And then like months later they reached out to me. It's like they knew I liked those TikTok videos and saved them, and they hacked my account or something. I don't know, it's so weird, but they sent me this, so I'm so excited to try it. Man, I'm so lucky. I don't know how this has been happening for the past few months. Like I think, okay, I want this, and then I end up receiving it for free. It's crazy. Wow. Anyway, ooh, they sent me more than one thing. Okay, so it came with these pictures. Okay, so the first thing is this big box. What is this? It's a natural whitening pulling oil. So this is kind of like a mouthwash. Like you're supposed to put it in your mouth, and you go like this, like swirl in your mouth for a few seconds. So this is supposedly good for your teeth. It prevents you from getting like probably like cavities or any issues with your gums. I think, I'm not sure what she said. It was a while back. I haven't seen the videos anymore, but anyway. So, and this also helps you for teeth whitening if you want white teeth. Supposedly it's natural and very good for you. I don't know, because you see, damn, I get some burping. These are the things, or these are the ingredients they have. So you see, it doesn't really have any like chemicals. It's cruelty free, all that. So in case you want to read it. And supposedly this lady said she had, I don't know, I think her teeth were gonna fall out or something. She had teeth issues, and then about her teeth like fraud. And then she started oil pulling, and her teeth were healed like that, and her gums and everything. And so let's see if it's true. Let's see if it works for me. Because I don't know what oil pulling is. It's something new that's trending. I just know mouthwash. So, but you can use like regular coconut oil instead of this. But this is very good too. So we'll see. It has tape. I don't know, I'll probably put videos about it here.
It's happening. My teeth, my middle teeth are going to... The Posh Mama routine can save your teeth. It can save your teeth. I don't know what's going on with your teeth, but my personal testimony: gingivitis, advanced periodontal disease, bleeding gums, headed for dentures within a year, 3 decades ago. 3 decades ago. The dentist told me within a year I was going to have dentures. Look. All my natural teeth. I'm 50. How did I save my teeth? The same way you can save yours. Oil pulling. Oil pulling. Run to Walmart. Run to Walmart. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Run to Walmart. Get the Guru Nanda coconut mint pulling oil. Start pulling. Swish, swish.
So y'all can know what I'm talking about. Let's see what this is. So, or how it looks like. Not what it is. Okay. Ooh, it comes with something else. What is it? A toothbrush? Oh, look, and a guard toothbrush, or I don't know how you call it, but I love the color. It's blue. Alright. Wow. It looks pretty small. Okay, anyway, so this is the bottle. This is how it looks. So let me open this. Oh, look, it comes with a cup. So you measure it, and then you shake it, and you're supposed to use like 10 to 15 milliliters, and then you swish it all over your mouth like a mouthwash for at least 2 minutes. So while this is longer than mouthwash, usually it's just like a minute or less, but this one's 2. And then try to work up to 10 minutes per use. So you have to do it for 10 minutes straight. I don't know how people do it, but I guess since you're a beginner like myself, it says to do it for 2 minutes first, and then maybe next week do 3 minutes, 5, like that. So damn, that's too long for me. I'm not patient enough to wait 10 minutes and going like that in my mouth. That's too much. But you have to always brush your teeth after using this, after doing the mouthwash. So let's see. And it also says to do that tooth scraper thing. I already have one. So yeah, do all that, and supposedly you're good to go. So I'm kind of nervous to try this. I don't know what oil pulling it. And supposedly this oil pulling thing that you use, that you can spit it out in the sink, because it can cause like clog issues or drainage issues and all that. So you're gonna ruin your sink and all that. So I'm like, oh my gosh, this is too much work. Like, I don't know. But if it's good for my health, then I guess, you know, I'll try it. Yeah, this is how the cup look. It looks like the medicine I used to take as a kid, but no, it's for this. So damn, it is so serious. It feels like grown-up things. Yeah, this is how the bottle looks like with all the plastic. Let me open. Oh, it comes out like this. Let me smell. Ooh, it smells pretty strong. It smells like mint, but not so strong, like regular gum mouthwash. Not so strong alcohol mouthwash scent, but just very slight. So yeah, you can tell right away this is not chemically as like the other regular mouthwashes we use. Hold on. Ooh, it kind of smells like, why do I smell banana now? What the heck? It kind of smells sweet. Oh, it's the coconut. Never mind. Let's see if this works. I'm scared. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do it right now to test it out. But first, let me show y'all the last thing they sent me. Ooh, this is a Jamaican black castor oil. Oh yeah, this helps your lashes grow longer, as well as your brows if you don't have a lot of hairs, or if you do, they're just not thick or long. Then definitely try this out. Supposedly it's good for that hair growth and all that, and I need that for my lashes because they keep falling when I use falsies. And my brows, I messed it up years ago trying to do them by myself. I used to be a little bit more thicker and all that, but whatever. So let's see if this works, because I'm trying to get longer, fuller, thicker lashes and brows. I'm trying to get hair back. So this is how it looks. It looks like a squeezy, no, like a dropper. Hold on, let me open it. Let me smell it. It broke, or why is it like that? I can't really smell anything. No, I don't smell anything. Oh, never mind. It's because you're supposed to open the little one and squeeze it, like, probably. I don't know how to use this, or like that. I'm scared of risking it right now. And oh, you can also use it for your hair and skin. I thought only for your eyelashes and brows and beards. If you're a guy, you can use it. I don't have a beard, so imagine if I did. Anyway, so basically you apply like a small amount. Damn, my voice is going away. And your scalp and hair, and just do it all over your head. And then for your skin, the same. You put it, you can mix it with your moisturizer. So I'm gonna try and do that. I'm gonna try and see. Oh, never mind. This is not recommended for sensitive skin, so never mind. I'm not risking it, because you know what happened with me with the derma. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. This is the first time a lip plumper destroyed my freaking lips. and my skin. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. Anyways, so I'm just gonna use it for my lashes and brows with a Q-tip or spoolie. So I'm gonna try and do this today as well. I'm gonna test it out in camera. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna start with the oil before I get my face. Okay, yeah, that's it. So they just sent me those two things. Let me hurry up and go to the sink and do all that. Hold on. And my before. Yeah, I need to get my teeth clean. I haven't gone to the dentist. I know, whatever. So yeah, pretty much let's see how my teeth look after I use this. Obviously I'm not gonna be able to tell the difference because it's just one time use. We'll see. So let me read this first. I'm kind of scared. I think you're supposed to shake it. Yeah, it says if you spill it on your clothes, clean immediately. And I'm wearing white. Oh my gosh, I should have. It's good. I didn't think I was gonna use it today. This is just, let me see. Okay, so I already shaked it. I'm gonna put 10 millimeters to start because I'm a beginner. All right, I'm not risking it. I already put the alarm, but I'm probably taking longer than I should. So I had to take off my freaking long sleeve. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's it. So let me see. 10. Okay, you can see. Okay, it smells good. Okay, let me fix the timer. Alright, I already threw out the mouthwash, the oil clean. I just swirled in my mouth, and now I'm in the middle of brushing my teeth. So okay, do that, but better, because I can make a mess here. I'm gonna wash my tooth out after brushing my teeth with regular toothpaste, and then I'll come back. Alright, yeah, I'm back. So I already spit out my toothbrush. I already rinse my teeth with water, and yeah, my mouth feels fresh. It feels clean. It feels refreshing. Like I feel like cool breath when I breathe. It feels nice. It doesn't burn or sting like traditional mouthwashes. So this is really good, and I like it so far. So this is my teeth update. you see, you can't really notice if whitening or anything at all. You barely use it. So I'm gonna try this out for weeks or a month, however long it takes me to maybe get halfway, I don't know, until I notice kind of a difference. I'll probably do a review update, we'll see. So yeah, and the toothbrush here is very, very soft. It feels like something I've never tried before. I don't think this is sold in regular stores, that's why. But it says Dental Guru. It's probably from the dentist. I don't freaking know, but it's very, very soft. It feels kind of fluffy. It doesn't feel like the traditional soft bristles you buy at the stores. You can still feel it kind of hard. This is not like that. Excuse me. My voice changed. I played too much, but whatever. So, oh crap. So yeah, and then it comes with this case to cover your toothbrush in, so you know it don't get dirty and all that. So it fits perfectly well. So I love everything about it. So first impressions, this brand is great. I like it. Y'all definitely try it out and see if it works for you, because I don't know, supposedly you don't have to really go to the dentist after using this, so we'll see. I don't know. Anyway, so now I'm gonna try this oil for my lashes. Okay, I found this old pink one, so let me apply it on the spoolie brush and then apply it on my lashes. So I don't know how to use this at all. It doesn't let me open. Let me see. Let me open it here. I don't want to make a mess. I found the napkin. Okay. I took this out. I don't know if that's the issue. Let me see. So, yeah, it kind of smells like peanut. Kind of little strong. Not really. So, okay. Now, let me see if it works now. Oh, it feels oily. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's like brownish. I don't know if you can see there. I put a little bit. It doesn't say how much to put. It's just small amount. I guess a small amount. I don't know. Maybe I should dip it instead of doing it like that. I don't know. Okay, let me put it on my eyelashes now. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my bottom lashes as well. So I put another small amount. Let's see. I don't know if I did it right. Like that, I don't know. You can kind of see a little bit of oil. It's not so noticeable. So I don't know if that was the right amount. I don't know how to use it. So let's see if it works. So it doesn't tell you how many times you're supposed to use it. I guess every day. I don't know. Okay, I want to do a lash update. So I hope I get great results. So I'm gonna use this as a before and after shot. Okay, somebody came home. But anyways, bye. Thanks for watching.